GEIC analysis. G stands for global, E stands for the economy, I stands for the industry, and C stands for the company. And I'm sure you can very easily understand when we are doing valuation of any business. So valuation of any business will always be influenced by the global factors, by the local economy factors, by the industry factors, and by the factors relating to that company. So how do we do the GEIC analysis, or how do we study the business entities or entities business environment? And that is we do it by using GEIC analysis. तो हम कैसे करते हैं GEIC analysis? Number one, this is your GEIC analysis, and this is where you start from. This is your GEIC analysis. What we do in GEIC analysis? Look at the global environment, what is happening in America, what is happening in Europe, what is happening in Japan, what is happening in Australia, what is happening in New Zealand, what is happening in Brazil, what is happening in Mexico, and how all those developments are going to impact the price of my company share. So we look at the number one, global factors. Having studied the global factors, then we look at the factors that pertains to the economy of the country. So how is the country's economy doing? Is the country's economy in the vibrant mode, or is the economy of the country in the recessionary mode? And that is what we will analyze. And I'm sure you can understand it very easily. If the economy of the company is doing well, then there is a full possibility that the valuation of the share of the company will also be good. If economy of the country is in recession, then there is a full possibility that the valuation of company share will also be depressed, and that there's a direct relationship. So second thing that we do, and of course we will understand as to how do we do the economic analysis and how do we do the global analysis. And the third thing that we do is the industry analysis. So in case of industry analysis, we look at the industry to which this company belongs. What do we do as part of the industry analysis? We look at the competitors landscape, and that is where we use the Michael Porter's 5 forces model. And then we also do the sectoral analysis. That means the sector to which this company belongs, how is that sector doing? Number 4, what we do the company analysis. तो हम कंपनी की पूरी एनालिसिस करते हैं, और कंपनी की एनालिसिस में 2 चीज़ें जो हम देखते हैं. नंबर 1 इज़ दी कंपनी बैकग्राउंड. कंपनी का बैकग्राउंड क्या है, कंपनी के प्रमोटर्स कौन हैं, कंपनी का मैनेजमेंट कैसा है, कंपनी में और कौन कौन सी ग्रुप कंपनीज़ हैं, वो कंपनी की प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कैसी है, कंपनी की पास्ट प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कैसी है, कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट क्या है, कंपनी का मार्केट क्या है, कंपनी के कस्टमर्स कौन हैं, कंपनी के वेंडर्स कौन हैं, क्या कंपनी खाली इंडिया में ऑपरेट करती है कि पूरी दुनिया में ऑपरेट करती है, कंपनी की मार्केट स्ट्रेंथ क्या है. ऑल दोज फैक्टर्स वी विल कंपनी की all those factors we will look at as far as the company's background is concerned. And remember, we don't stop at that. We also look at the financial statement analysis of the company. तो यानी कि क्या, यानी कि हम उस कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स को भी देखते हैं. उसकी बैलेंस शीट क्या है, उसका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस क्या है, और उसका कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट क्या है, कंपनी की लिक्विडिटी कैसी है, कंपनी की प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कैसी है, कंपनी की सॉल्वेंसी कैसी है, कंपनी की एफिशिएंसी कैसी है, कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल रिस्क कैसी है, कंपनी का ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज कैसा है, कंपनी का फाइनेंशियल लेवरेज कैसा है. तो वो सारे फैक्टर्स ऑल्सो हम एनालाइज करते हैं एज पार्ट ऑफ द कंपनी एनालिसिस, एंड दैट इज लुकिंग एट द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स. Please remember, financial statement analysis can be done from 2 perspectives. Number 1, the historical analysis. Historical analysis का मतलब क्या है? Look at the past numbers as to how the past numbers have been, and then you also look at from the futuristic perspective as to how does the profitability of the company looks. So this is how you will do taking these 4 factors into account, you will do the GEIC analysis, and this GEIC analysis will enable you about being aware of the business environment of the entity that you are trying to value. So this is GEIC analysis all about.